Hey YouTube, it's Abdel Carfix. As you see here, we're doing the bearing on this 2008 Ford Edge. It's a freaking nightmare. The type of bolts they have, it's a Hicks bolt, and there's a torn ring in the way, the ABS torn ring in the way. So it's really hard to reach and hard to find. They sell the tool on Amazon for $43. I actually ordered one of those, but I went and I just couldn't wait. This vehicle has to be done, so I made my own tool, guys. Look at that. So it's really simple. Get one of those 60T60 bit, cut it. That's what I did. I cut it and I welded into one of those extension, and I was able to get them out. As you see here, I got the bearing out, and these bolts are really hard to reach, guys. And just you gotta what I did. You'll have to bush it. Put this on here. Okay, a puller, and push the axle a little out of the way. It gives you a little gap, and then make your own. If you can make your own because it's $43 for the tool. I did order it. I will get it, but it won't arrive until later this evening. I need the lift. I only have one lift in my shop. I need the lift for a couple of cars for later. So this is the easy way to do it, guys. If you can't weld or you don't have a welder, maybe you can take it to a friend, take it to a shop somewhere, and have them through a couple of welds on a bit like this T60, and you can do it yourself. It's not that bad. Turned out to be good. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get new videos every day for you guys, and we need some subscribers to my channel. I would appreciate that so much. And if you have a question, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer it as soon as I can. I normally answer it within minutes of receiving a message. Thank you so much. Have a good day.